Old films fading? Save memories with KODAK REELS 8mm and Super 8 Digitizer.
You just found that shoebox in the back of the closet. Dust flies off when you lift the lid, and there they are, those little 3-inch and 7-inch reels staring back at you like they've been waiting 50 years for this exact moment. Your chest tightens. Haven't you waited long enough to see them alive again? Every month they sit, another layer of color dies. That suffocating feeling when you realize one day they'll be too brittle to ever save. It's real. But what if you could stop the decay tonight, in your own living room? No lab, no waiting, no strangers touching your history. Lean in. I'm about to hand you the cheat code. Then I threaded my first reel into the KODAK REELS 8mm and Super 8 Films Digitizer Converter, and damn, that 5-inch screen lit up like a drive-in movie, frame-by-frame magic pulling crystal-clear 1080p digital straight out of 1972. No computer, no software, just pure independence. The oversized touch buttons became my superpower. Zoom, tweak tint, fix exposure on the fly like a film ninja. Universal adapters swallowed every reel size without complaint. Direct to SD meant I held living MP4s in my hand minutes after scanning. I almost missed my mom's 80th birthday slideshow because I thought the films were too far gone. Plugged in the KODAK Reels at 10 p.m., finished the key reel by midnight, played it at the party the next day, tears everywhere. When her younger self waved from 1968 on the big TV, the room went silent, then exploded. Chills, actual chills. Stick around, I've got a secret cleaning trick at the end that makes the colors pop even harder.
Here's what happens next. You save weeks of shipping wait time, gain total control with real-time tweaks, preserve every detail in sharp 1080p, then watch family bonds explode when everyone sees Grandma dancing at 25 again. Jaw-on-floor reactions guaranteed. Tech experts call the 5-inch screen a genuine game-changer over competitors. Influencers say watching their parents as kids on it wrecked them emotionally, in the best way. Analysts report thousands of boomers are quietly ditching pro labs because the KODAK Reels does it better for a one-time cost. One grandpa told me he's done 100+ reels and it still runs like day one. And I personally watched my neighbor cry when his 1978 wedding footage came back clearer than the day it was shot. But it takes time. Yeah, time you spend actually watching your life instead of wondering if some stranger lost your irreplaceable films in the mail. That objection dies the second you see your kid's first steps in 1080p. Wait till you hear why people are obsessed with one underrated feature nobody talks about. Drop your oldest reel year below. I'm reading every comment.
Look, I probably shouldn't say this out loud, but the families who already grabbed the KODAK REELS 8mm and Super 8 Films Digitizer Converter, they're the ones low-key winning at life right now, watching childhood Christmases on their phones while everyone else is still gonna do it someday. The core superpower is simple. You turn dusty, dying film into eternal digital gold with push-button ease. Join the ones who already know. First link in description. I pinned it right at the top. Come on, your younger self is waiting. Catch up.